Right then, we are back to the curved wall that we did just before Christmas back in the last year. The customers now decided that the wall was too far leaning, so they want a little wall end here, little couple of steps putting in just there, and then just reinstating here up to that wall that I built just before Christmas. So we've got a concrete padding because of the gas tank that's underneath this stone here. And there is a little gas pipe there, so I'm going to have to put some concrete over that just so it don't get crushed. But other than that, it's just a regular build. Right, that's the wall inside done. So it's sort of running down from that wall here, joining straight into what we did last time. I'll just kind of climb over to the side. That's a nice view up here. Nice place to work. So that's all that walled in. There, up to there, little wall end, step redone. So now what we just need to do is put these flags on top, because then they're getting some more railings like them on. They're drilling through, it's like some spikes or something, I don't know, but it joins to that metal bar which is in ground, and then it come round here, round the corner, so it'll be really secure. You know, usually if we're putting something like that on a fence or something, you have to put rebar through into concrete and mortar through it so it doesn't wobble the wall, but because this has got angles in it and they're putting a little bit of bar into the wall, it should be fine. There we go, finished. On to the next one. That looks a lot better than it did. If I can find the picture from before, I had one sent to me from the builders that subcontracted me onto this job of it before it was taken down, so I'll try to find that and put it at the end of the video. Also, if you look there, I'm going to try this out. I'm going to put the video to that wall. That'll stay, sort of show you what we were dealing with before, and I think you can see how bad this wall was in that actually. So if you give that a watch, it's still there, hopefully you'll be able to see what we were dealing with.